Welcome back. This is episode 3, and we are going to start with chapter 1, The Power of Math Confidence, Defeating Math Anxiety and Facing Fear. So let's dive into it. The whispers in the classroom. Stella sat at her desk, staring at the math test in front of her. The numbers on the page seemed to twist and dance, forming a tangled web of confusion. Her heart pounded, and her hands grew sweaty. She could hear the whispers again. She gripped her pen tightly, but it felt useless, like a tiny sword against a giant monster. The monster had a name: Kavuyo. Kavuyo is something else. Okay. For years, he had lived inside her mind, feeding on her fear, growing stronger with every failed test, every moment of panic, and every whispered, "I don't get it." So that means if you keep saying you don't get it, Kavuyo is coming in your head. Kavuyo is starting to get energy. Okay, let's continue. He was no ordinary villain. He didn't attack with swords or fire. He attacked with doubt, confusion, worry, and fear. He turned numbers into nightmares and math lessons into battlegrounds. At this moment, he was winning. "You can't do this. You are not a math person. You will fail like last time." Whoa, very scary. "You have 40 minutes left." Stella's teacher, Miss Tambogo, walked past her desk, glancing at her blank paper. Her heart raced. 40 minutes? It might as well have been 4 seconds. She looked around the room. Other students were writing, solving, and moving forward. She was stuck, frozen in place. She wanted to escape. She wished the room would swallow her whole. Maybe math is not for me. The whisper grew louder. Kavuyo was feeding off her thoughts, now wrapping his shadows of fear around her. Some people just don't have the math brain, and you, Stella, are one of them. So, see you in the next episode, and we see what happened next. Bye-bye.